Welcome to Learning Gateway. The aim of our channel is to provide help to individuals for improving their analytical and quantitative skills and to improve their scores in GRE, GMAT, GATE and other competitive exams. Moreover, this lecture could be found in Urdu as well. The link for the Urdu is given in the description of this video. First of all, I would like to start from the analytical part. Introduction to analytical reasoning. Basically, we can categorize analytical reasoning in three major parts as per their difficulty. The most easiest one, medium and more technical. The first one, the easiest one, are those in which we make arrangement or order of a given data. Using that information, we have to find out the exact order or the exact arrangement of that data. The information given to us could be in three types. The first one is isolated information, in which we are just given a position of one individual. Let's say A is sitting on the third position and we don't know about that which person is on the right or the left side of A. This kind of information called isolated information. The second type of information is link information, in which the link of two individuals are defined. Let's say there are two persons in between A and B. So A and B are linked with two separators. And the third category of information is implied information, in which we derive the information using the first or second type of information. For example, the two persons in between A and B, and we get confirmed about the first person that C is one person sitting between A and B, and then we can derive that D is another person sitting in between. Let me give you a simple example about the arrangement. That there are 5 persons in line, which is sharp, fair, overweight, feeble and tall, and we have to find out the exact order of these 5 persons. For that purpose, we have given some information. The information is that one of the 2 persons at the forest ends is sharp and fair, but we don't know about the exact position of sharp and fair, that which person is on which end. The second information about this case is that the overweight person is sitting to the right of the feeble person. And the last information given about this case is that the tall person is sitting to the left of the fair person and feeble person is sitting between sharp and overweight. Right now, using that information, we have to find out the exact order of this arrangement, that which person is sitting on which position. Moreover, in arrangement, there are subcategories of ranking, just like this example I've given to you. Distribution, where one person occupied 2 or more places, or one place could be assigned to 2 or more persons. And networking. We will solve all these cases one by one in our next lectures. Let's move to the second categories, which is include-exclude. In include-exclude categories, normally we have to form a group with the given restrictions. Normally there are more than one possible way to form a group, but using that restrictions. Over here, I will give you a simple example about the include-exclude categories, that the sales manager of a company want to form a sales team using his 7 persons, using 4 experienced and 3 non-experienced persons. And the restrictions about that group is that Sam and Fred do not work together. And also Tim refused to work with Sam. And the third restriction is that Harry and Tom cannot work together. Using that restriction, we have to form a group or more than one group, which could be possible using that restriction. Moreover, in this category, there are more subclasses of scheduling and sequencing. We will solve such type of cases in our next lectures. Let's move to the third and last category, which is logical reasoning. In logical reasoning, normally we have given an argument in which a conclusion is derived from the premises or the claim is made on the basis of some given information. And we have to make it strengthen or weaken as per the given options. Or sometimes we have to derive the conclusion from that premises. Let me give you a simple example over here that petrochemical industries claims that their used drums are not dangerous for the individual. However, if this is the case, then why they are moving their drums to non-populated area? It's mean they are dangerous, or the company itself accepting that these used drums are dangerous for the individual. After giving such argument, we are asked to make it more strengthened or weakened using the given options. So this was all about the last category. In our next lecture, we will solve our first example and then move on. I hope this lecture could be informative for you people. Thank you for being with Learning Gateway.